I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube with your Android phone while having your screen off. Just go ahead and download NewPipe or YouTube Advanced. Okay, so now that everyone left, I'm just going to talk a little bit about these two apps and make the video longer, I guess. So NewPipe, this was the first YouTube alternative app that I downloaded back when I started doing AJet. It's very simple to use. It's extremely lightweight, so it's not going to take that much space in your phone. You don't need a Google account in order to use it. You can even subscribe to channels, but it's not going to count you as a subscriber from the channel. It's only going to work inside the app. You can save your settings if you uninstall it and then install it again. You can import those settings as well. The app has bookmarks, so you can bookmark videos. It has a pop-up player that can appear on top of other apps. And it has this really cool feature that lets you control the volume by swiping up and down on the right side of the screen. And if you do that on the left side of the screen, then it's going to control the brightness. Downloading it is really simple. You only need to go to the NewPipe website. That's newpipe.net. And then you would scroll down till you see this button, and as you can see right here on the website, if I hover my cursor, you can see at the bottom of the page that this is going to download an APK file. So that is going to be the installer for the Android app. And then we have YouTube Advanced. So YouTube Advanced is actually extremely similar to the default YouTube app. The only difference is that you will have a lot more features available on this one. You can use your Google account with this one. I know that some people might find it uncomfortable to put their Google password in a third-party app, but just to make you feel better, I can tell you that I've been using this for a long time and everything has been just great. So there's that. YouTube Advanced also has the same features that let you control both volume and brightness by swiping on the screen, although I think you will need to activate those from the settings. So in order to install this one, you just go to the website. It's called advancedapp.com. And you have to download the Advanced Manager. This is also an APK file, so it's going to work on Android. When you install the Advanced Manager, you would need to additionally install 2 more apps from that one. Yeah, I know it sounds like a lot, but it really works. So the first one is the one that connects to Google, and then the second one is the actual YouTube Advanced app. And I think they also have something like YouTube Music, but I've never used that one. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is 5B Cube signing out, and I'll see you next time.